Call it the killer of sexual impotence. Test it. How many times have you had erections, even libido problems? With today's video, all that disappeared. One of the best aphrodisiacs there is pineapple. This fruit has a great stimulating property and knows how to excite the senses of those who consume it. For this very reason, you are likely to be interested in knowing its properties and ways of use. With this ingredient you will not have sexual problems again, guaranteed. Pineapple is one of the many aphrodisiac remedies that exist within this broad spectrum. It was always intimately linked with these properties, since it is a fruit with a strong stimulating quality. Surely, you will already know about it, but do you know how to consume the pineapple to obtain its aphrodisiac benefits? Get it. How to take the pineapple? 1. In cooking recipes. Coincidentally, for a long time that has been used in the kitchen of several countries for these purposes, especially in Eastern cuisine in general. Serves to prepare sweet or salty dishes. It is important that you also put cinnamon, you will see the difference. 2. In juices. The pineapple juice, besides being great and being super sweet, is very good to combat sexual problems. In addition, you can put other ingredients like milk or yogurt. It is exquisite. Why not try it? What is the purpose of the pineapple? However, the health benefits of pineapple consumption do not end there. In the following video you will be able to know all your healthy properties. 1. For migraines. Do you usually suffer from migraines? Well, if so, you will be interested to know that pineapple is also an effective home remedy to reduce these annoying headaches. 2. For diabetes. On the other hand, studies with diabetic patients, who consume 3 grams of pineapple daily in capsules for 10 weeks, found a considerable reduction of blood sugar. 3. For asthma. Pineapple, with lemon and honey, is an effective remedy to improve asthmatic states, reducing their annoying symptoms. 4. For arthritis. Combine the pineapple with turmeric and you will have a very good home remedy, totally natural, to combat